Interest rates are on the rise, and this has caused chief economists to lower their predictions on what they feel will happen with home sale prices and home sales this year. This is Dawn Connors at MortgageOne. Happy Monday to you. Welcome to my interest rate update. So let's kind of unpack that a little bit. Current interest rates as of this week have hit 4.72%, 4.72% according to Mortgage Market Guide. What does that mean? Well, just 5 days ago, interest rates were 26 basis points lower, about a quarter percentage point lower. So just in 5 days, interest rates have taken another spike up to 4.74%, which is a national average on interest rates. According to Diane Olick, this is due to the war in Ukraine, rising oil prices, and inflation like we haven't seen since the 1980s. What does this mean for you? This means as interest rates push up, the ability of homeowners and potential home buyers to buy homes and the potential for home sellers to sell homes will start to get squeezed out a bit depending on where rates go. So, according to Matt with mortgage-backed securities, he is the COO, he says interest rates will climb into the 5s, and there's a good chance that they might go as high as into the 6 range. However, he said that he thinks it'll cap out before 6%. But it's too hard to tell, he says, because a lot of it is due to inflationary pressures, which we haven't seen again since the 1980s. And the other thing to consider is now a good time to buy? I would say and argue, arguably, yes, you absolutely want to sell your home now if you have something to sell. If you have a house to sell, now is the time. If you want to buy a house, now is the time to buy a house. Many will say, well, I'm kind of looking forward to a little bit of a housing crash. Well, if that happens, what will happen is it will be due to high interest rates, and you won't be able to buy anyhow if you need a mortgage. So only if you're a cash buyer could you maybe say that. However, if you are looking to buy or sell and you need mortgage financing, you want to do it now. You want to do it as quickly as possible when you find the right house and when you find a home that's good for you and your family. The reason why is because interest rates, as they push up, it will lessen your ability to buy. 1% will lessen your ability to buy by about $46,000 on a $250,000 loan amount. So a 1% increase will change your buying power. So that means, sellers, that you want to get your homes listed and on the market now, because if you don't and you have something to sell that you want to sell this year or next year or even the year after, you may not be able to if rates go into a high oppression range. So, don't mean to doom and gloom today. I just want to give the facts on where we're at with rates. They're at 4.74% on a national average. That is not bad. What is a concern as interest rates continue to push up, and they will, given the inflationary period, and what's happening is our government is selling off mortgage-backed securities. They're selling off bonds. And when they sell off bonds, it causes interest rates to rise. So believe it or not, the government wants this. They want a rising rate environment. They want to sell off bonds. They want to slow some of this shortage in the housing market. So all that is causing these interest rates to continue an upward movement with, as of now, no signs of stopping. This is Dawn Connors at MortgageOne, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out videos 3 times a week, and share out this video to someone that you love that would like to watch. Have an awesome, amazing day. Thank you.